President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his family are reportedly in panic mode following a dramatic ultimatum issued this week by outspoken war veteran President Geza, who demanded that the president resign immediately. Sanabila mashoko anobuda panapa achiona kuti aiwa vakomana vonzi panguva ino they are now panicking nokuda aiwa kwevakomana vari kunyatso kuratidza kuti isusu we don't care zvamuda kutiita mukada kuti assassinata we don't care so long tafira nyika yeZimbabwe. Unobva subscribe or like what on the bell icon. Mina muna mubudai kwamchenzi Geza, a former liberation war fighter and vocal critic of Mnangagwa's leadership, has since gone into hiding after police announced on Wednesday that they were seeking his arrest on multiple charges. According to a statement released by the Zimbabwe Public Police on February 12, Geza wanted for alleged theft, undermining the authority of president, and incitement to commit public violence. However, Geza's faction has dismissed the charges as politically motivated, warning that any attempt to arrest or assassinate him would be met with a fierce resistance. In quotes, any arrest or assassination as of now would be a declaration of war in this country. I have to repeat again, we have placed violence for no offense, a spokesperson for Geza's group stated. Political analysts and Geza's supporters argue that the accusations are a ploy to silence one of Mnangagwa's most vocal opponents ahead of an escalating power struggle within ZANU-PF. Thomas Kwanobuda panapa tiona kuti aiwa vakomana navo they are now in panic mode. Vana Geza vabudisa in ultimatum vachiti aiwa this dynasty must go just because aiwa hapana any value yairi kukonzeresa kana kuisa kana kueffecta kana any national development, but they are just there nezvigananda vachiuya zvavo vachidotauchirawo pasi mashoko atiri kuona panguva ino. Even tiona mutungamiri wenyika aiwa achibuda munyika yeZimbabwe yesterday anosiya aiwa aisa Constantino Chiwenga haana kumisa sevice president kunyange ari mukuru anoisa Muhadi ari behind the face mask. He is not feeling well, but he decided kuti amuite the acting president. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechituiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.